What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So I've been in the crypto mining space for a few years now, always testing new projects, always looking for what's actually worth your time. And look, I gotta be honest, right now the space is flooded with scams. Like whether you're searching on Google, scrolling through YouTube, Reddit, crypto forums, doesn't matter where you look, the majority of what's being promoted out there is straight up fraudulent. You really gotta be careful. But I've been testing this cloud mining app called solidhash for a few months now, and today I'm actually gonna walk you through it, show you exactly what cloud mining is, how it works, and whether this thing is legit.
All right, so let me actually show you how this works in real time. I'm gonna walk you through the whole setup right now. So first thing, I'm hitting start mining now right here. Okay, so now it's asking me to pick a coin. I'm going with Bitcoin, but just so you know, this platform actually supports pretty much every major crypto out there. Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Ripple, Cardano, Tron, you name it. All right, clicking continue with BTC. So now I need to drop in my receiving wallet address. So let me just jump over to my Trust wallet real quick, copying the address. Okay, back here, pasting it in. Good. Next up, hash rate power and mining speed mode. So basically, these two settings control how much computing power gets thrown at your mining operation and how fast it processes. The catch is, the higher you set these, the faster you mine, but your fees go up too. So it's kind of a balance. All right, I'm happy with where these are set. Now I'm putting in my mining target. This basically shows you how much crypto you're going after, what that's worth in dollars, and roughly how long it'll take to get there. Okay, everything looks good. Hitting start mining, and yeah, we're live. You can see all the metrics right here on the screen, so let's just give it a few minutes and see what happens. And awesome, I've mined my crypto, so now ready to transfer it to my wallet. But key thing here, the platform needs the infrastructure fee covered before they'll process any withdrawal. It's all itemized right here. So here's the power consumption, here are the computing clusters that handle the job, plus the pool fee and network transaction costs. And yeah, super important, the baseline infrastructure fee for accessing their resources is always $90 minimum, so definitely account for that. Okay, I'm copying this payment address. Good. Clicking I've sent the payment and just waiting for the system to verify everything. So, awesome. Funds sent to my wallet, so now I'm just waiting to reach my balance.
Here's essential advice from my expensive experience. Look, I've been in this space for years now, years, and I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I have lost a serious amount of crypto to scam platforms. Like, we're talking tokens I'm never getting back. It stings every time I think about it because I did my research, I read the reviews, I watched the tutorials, and I still got burned. The first time it happened, I was pretty new. I fell for a platform that had a slick website, fake comments, fake screenshots all over YouTube. I sent in my funds, everything looked like it was working, and then the moment I tried to cash out, boom, suddenly there's some verification fee I need to pay, then a network activation fee, then something else. And I kept paying because I thought my money was already in there. And then one day the site just disappeared, gone. And that wasn't the last time either, but it happened a couple more times before I really started knowing what to look for. Anyway, if you guys want to test this out for yourself, I've dropped the link down in the description and pinned it in the comments so it's easy to find. And if you've had any experience with cloud mining platforms, good or bad, drop it in the comments. Seriously, I read everything and it helps other people in the community figure out what's legit and what's not. Peace out.